Good afternoon. It's been a while since we had an unboxing. I think it's time we do. What we have here is a Titan professional workbench made in China. It's been sitting here around for a while and the box has gotten a little beat up. Actually, it was a pretty good box and it seems to be pretty well packed. Instructions, 1 page. Alright. Some bolts and there's a loose bolt. Let's lay these out. Oh, that's nice. That's pretty hefty duty. Okay. Wow, that's pretty nice. That's substantial. I like that. What we got here, this threads into here, and then a set nut so you can put it on an unlevel floor and get the surface level. And that's pretty nice. Let's put the rest of those on. Put a little dab of grease on there. All right. So let's measure it. Three inches, I like it. Right there. So the next thing I want to do is I want to set all these to the same height, and I think 3 inches is good. I got lots of travel there. So I guess it reasonably close. Of course they're metric, and I don't have metric, so right on the money. You can go with that. It was like it was meant to be. Okay. Put it on the floor. Put it on the floor so it doesn't fall down. It's down there. They can't fall. And now, oh my gosh. Oh, that's pretty nice. Okay. I'd say that's pretty solid. Could be. You know, if we'd made it, we would have made it a lot heavier. But time is of the essence at the moment. We just need to get it done. So let me take a moment and clean up, and then we'll get started again. So we did some cleanup. Now let's put the legs on. Uh-oh. don't know if you can see this, but this is, this doesn't fit. We're gonna have to do a little persuasion here. There we go. All right. So I'm missing a washer. I had to add a lock washer to the bunch. As you can see, that one's not the same as the rest. So the next thing it says, attach the shelf 7 to the legs, number 6 by bolts 10, finger tight. I don't know if there's supposed to be a washer underneath it or not. Well, let's just see. I got a question, there's no bolt holes in this thing. How do you attach the shelf? Oh, this thing goes up underneath. Okay, so this is going to be fun. Actually, you know what? Let's turn it the other way. Oh. I want you to know it's not light. I assume it goes like that. We got 4 of these. I'm going to put a washer underneath it, even though it doesn't say so. Okay, and now finally, attach, set the workbench upright, check all level, and tighten the surface. It didn't tell me to put the brace in. Oh well. And the picture does show that up. But I'm wondering if it shouldn't be the other way around, because then you could lay cables in it. I don't think it makes any difference. I think I'm going to turn it around. If I turn it this way, it gives me a channel to lay cords in if I want to. Not that I'll probably ever use this thing for electrical stuff. Okay. Heater just went on. I'm not turning it off. It's bad out, and I don't intend to be in here without heat. I just have to put up with the noise. And that's the heater in the far corner, so it shouldn't be a big problem. So I got one extra washer. That's the washer I was missing. Okay. So all the hardware was there. I still have battery in the mic. I'm hustling. So we got all the bolts in. Let's check for square. Oh, that's a bummer. There we go. Like that. That's square, right like that. Let's tighten that up. Check it again. Perfect. Okay. And then finally this. There we go. Now we gotta get it off the table. So I did make a mistake. This is obviously the front of the bench, the back of the bench. We don't want this brace in the front, we want it in the back. They didn't give me any directions. There's nut inserts on both sides. Simple matter of putting it the other way. Always put all the bolts in before you tighten anything up. Okay. All right. Now I think it's put together the right way. Let's put it in place. So it may live right there. That's what we bought this table for, to handle that brake and the shear. And it would be kind of nice to be able to put this bead roller on it too. And maybe if I mount it caddy corner across one of the corners, maybe that back corner of the table, we can use that. But then if I do that, we'd have to pull the table out. Have to think about that. But the point for this table was for the brake and the shear to have a stable base. Overall, I'd say the quality was very good. A little expensive, but very good.